Hey guys, Brandon here, and today is another vlog. Haven't really done much over the last couple of days because we haven't done anything really. We've just been chilling by the pool, chilling out, enjoying the rest of our holiday. Right now I'm on a walk around this rock pool. I'll show you in a sec, but I'm just going to take a walk along there's a bunch of rocks there. I'll take a walk along there, have a look to see what I can see. I saw some people fishing there yesterday, but right now I bought these glasses yesterday. They seem really nice, and also I can see into the sea while I'm looking in the sea. I can actually see what's under the water, whereas with your naked eye you can't really see with the waves and stuff that's going on. But yeah, I'll show you the rock pool now, and then I'll record once again once we get up there. So yeah, this is the rock pool. There's some baby fish over here somewhere, but I'm looking just for if I can see any fish from the surface, anything I can see, crabs, anything like that. But we'll see what we see. Sea looking a little bit rough today. Look at that. And then you have this big boat out there. What's that? Now I'm out on the rocks. Look at the view. I want to watch these waves come in. There was a big one just before I started recording. Let's see if it comes again. Not as big as it's been, but it's coming. It's coming, don't worry. You see that one right there? That's going to be the one. Yeah, look at that. Woo! Oh, even bigger one. Woo-hoo! This is where it gets a little bit more dangerous. These waves are getting bigger and bigger as I'm trying to come back, and I got to cross over these rocks. But I should be able to do it. I did it coming, and I just need to take my time. Should be okay. See, that's all it took. Just a little bit of me taking my time, and I'm over. But the waves are starting to get heavier and heavier as the day's going on, so it's okay. Look at that. Chilling vibes by the pool, listening to WWE, and just chilling. Yeah. Nice lamb shank. Nice lamb shank and a wonderful ribeye. Look at that.